everyone, good morning and welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, let's be quick, join the session fast so that we can solve questions related to spatial aptitude. Come on guys, be quick. So today we'll be solving questions related to spatial aptitude, and trust me, we'll be solving very good questions related to it. So obviously you will gain knowledge and you can get a lot of concepts from today's class, how to approach questions related to spatial aptitude. So before starting that, if you are new to our channel and if you don't know about me, you can go through my profile. Next, you can join my Telegram group for knowing when my classes are there. Class notes, PDFs will be provided in my Telegram group. Next guys, this session is going to happen today at 6 p.m. So if you are a civil engineer, what is the top 10 highest paying occupations? So this session will be live today at 6 p.m. Okay, after that, as you know that UPSC ESE 23 result has been out. So if you are selected, kindly share your scorecard with us and you will get a free mock interview with our expert panel. Okay, and last but not the least, you know that ESE previous year series is going on, so you can check out the timetable for it. And on 28th August, that is on Monday, I'll be taking building materials. So guys, study building materials and come. Even if you are preparing, let us suppose if you are preparing for ISRO also, then also come, because if you see the number of questions in ISRO also, they have asked a lot of questions of building materials. It's not like GATE that they haven't asked. They have asked a lot of questions in ISRO also. Okay, fine. Now we'll start with the session. Let me tell you, in spatial aptitude, generally, first of all, we have mirror images questions. Okay, then we have questions related to, like, if you see a figure from the top, how does it look? If you see the figure from the longitudinal sections, how does it look? So basically, you have to analyze the 3D shape of it. Okay, see, it might be possible that out of 16 questions, you might able to solve only 6 questions or 5 questions, doesn't matter. Then ma'am, how can I get all the questions correct? By recurring practice. Okay, aptitude is just practice. You don't have to apply a lot of brain in that. Okay, so why to wait guys? Let's start the session. This is the first question with you guys. Come on. For the picture shown below, which of the following is the correct picture representing reflection with respect to the mirror shown in dotted figure? So guys, this is the picture. So if you are placing a mirror perpendicular to it, what will be the reflection of it? Come on guys. Tell me quickly. Quick. What I will do is I will paste this here so that you don't have to turn the pages again and again. That will be better. Okay, perfect. Now, okay, got this? Okay, so this is the figure, and one more thing important now. See, the reflection or the mirror image will change based on the positioning of the mirror. ठीक है, तो जहां पर आपने मिरर रखा उसकी पोजिशनिंग के हिसाब से भी इमेज चेंज हो जाती है. So guys, this is the figure. You have placed a mirror here. What will be the one? Come on, tell me fast. क्या होगा? Quickly. See, the one which is at the top will remain at the top. The one which is at the bottom will remain at the bottom. तो ये तो चारों में दिख रही है. Okay. The one which is at the top will remain there on the right hand side also. So it is there. Right hand side. ये left hand side में. So D option is cancelled. Okay. If it is there on the left hand side, extreme left, or out of the mirror, it will go on the extreme right. So this is not there. So D option is cancelled. Very good, Raghavendra. After that, you can see it. This is on the right. So now on the inverse side or on the mirror side, it will go on the left. So left. This one. Okay, so A will be the correct answer. Fine. Now, next question. Now this is a good question, guys. You have to apply your brain. You won't get it easily. Which one of the groups given below? So fine, this is the groups which is given to you. What should you do so that they get assembled and become like this? It's like a jigsaw puzzle, you know, like if you want to make this figure, you have to pick up the parts and you have to arrange them. So what are the things you would need for it? So here also what I will do is turning the pages, turning the slides is better. That I will take it here. Come on. So this is being for you guys. Check it out. See what you have to do. Out of the 4 options, select an option in which when you join them, it will become this figure. This is what it is saying. Come on. Isn't BC same? Yeah, they're looking slightly same, Dhruva. Which one you're talking about? For this question? You're talking for which question? Beta, tell me the question number also, no? Tell. See. If you check it out, I'll take other color pen because in white will not happen. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. Now, check it out. You have bifurcated into different parts. Okay? Tell me fast. Quickly. Quick, quick, quick. 2A. Very good. Very good. What you will see that the 3 triangles are there which will make the bottom part and this portion. So it will be A or B. One triangle, this one triangle, and this is one triangle, and this is missing now. Missing. Let me complete this, Draupadi, then we'll go to the first question. This one, guys, check it out. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. This is like this. This is one triangle. So 3 triangles are there. Getting? One triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle, 4 triangle and a rectangle. So 4 triangle and a rectangle. It should be like this. 4 triangle and rectangle. 4 triangle and rectangle. B will be the correct. Got it, Divyanshu? Slightly misplaced it you. Okay. Now what was the doubt in the first question? Okay. Oh my god, they have made the similar figures. The typing people have made it the similar figures. Okay. Yeah. I haven't checked the B and D figures. Obviously, they have made everything to be the same. There has to be slight change in orientation, basically. Okay, slight change in orientation, which they haven't done it. It should be shifted towards here and it should be shifted towards here. Okay, that's diagrammatic. Slightly, they have changed it. Actually, this position has to be here in this one, and this position has to be here, otherwise all 3 are looking same. Correct. Okay, correct. Okay, now this one, this you have to apply brain again. Now what it is telling you, corners are cut from an equilateral triangle. So this is an equilateral triangle. You can take the sides as A. That's your wish. You can take the sides of the equilateral triangle as A. Now what it is telling you, it is cut to produce a convex hexagon. So it is a hexagon, 6 sides are there in hexagon, 7 sides are there in heptagon. So the ratio of area of regular convex hexagon to the area of the original equilateral triangle. See, area of equilateral triangle, you might be knowing it, root 3 by 4 a square. But how will you calculate the area of the regular convex hexagon? See, for calculating area, you need to know the sides. How will you calculate? Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, hexagon, na? 5, 6. This is a hexagon. See, if a hexagon, just common sense, huh? If a hexagon is there, that means if I divide, this is the center. So in hexagon, how many triangles will be formed, guys? In hexagon, I want to represent in terms of triangles. So in hexagon, how many triangles will be there? Common sense. Come on, guys, be quick. This is a hexagon with 6 sides. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many triangles will be formed? 6. Yes. एक हेक्सागन में कितने ट्राइंगल्स होंगे? हेक्सागन में 6 साइड्स होती है, अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो तो आपको 6 ट्राइंगल्स मिलेंगे। अब आपने इसको कट किया प्रॉपरली, तो अगर ये टोटल एरिया ए था, सॉरी टोटल साइड ए था, तो अगर आपका ये 3 पार्ट्स में बना तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? a/3 a/3 a/3। कॉमन सेंस, ये पूरा ना ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही ज्यादा कोई तीन तूफान चीज है, एकदम सिंपल है, ठीक है, बस इमेजिनेशन करना। अगर हेक्सागन को आप ट्राइंगल्स के पार्ट में काटोगे, आप इसको पेपर से खुद करके बना के भी काट के देख सकते हो, ठीक है। तो आपको 6 ट्राइंगल्स मिलेंगे। अब क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? एरिया ऑफ कन्वेक्स हेक्सागन टू द एरिया ऑफ ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल। ओरिजिनल ट्राइंगल का एरिया तो होता है √3/4 a²। अब देखो, हेक्सागन में भी 6 ट्राइंगल्स बन रहे हैं, तो 6 इंटू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स, एरिया ऑफ वन ट्राइंगल। बट द पॉइंट इज, यहाँ पे जो साइड है वो a ना होकर a/3 होगी। दैट्स इतना सा क्वेश्चन था ये, एंड डेफिनेटली इट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन गेट और इट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन इसरो। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। कम ऑन, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? What will be the answer? √3/4, √3/4 will get cancelled out, a² and a² will go 6/9. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. This is a good question. Okay, remember this. Such you see, it might be first time you are solving it, so you don't get the approach how to solve it. But this is the approach you have to follow. Okay. If a square is there, a rhombus is there, or any shape is inserted into it, it will have some relation with the original shape. Make it sure. Now, this question, guys. This is again a good question. Every questions which I have kept are good questions only. It's not like you will get it easily. No, you have to think about it. Now, consider a square sheet of side 1 unit. So this is a square sheet. My diagram may not be on scale because I am drawing with free hand. This is a square of 1 unit. The sheet is first folded along the main diagonal. So you fold it along any main diagonal. So if you fold it from here. Okay, so if sheet is there, you fold it along main diagonal. So you will get something like this. When you fold the sheet along the main diagonal, you will get it something like this. Okay, now this is followed by a fold along its line of symmetry. So this is the line of symmetry. Symmetry means it is equal on both the sides. Okay, like if symmetry is like from the neck, I'll cut myself into two. So my left side and right side will be symmetrical. Okay, so this is being folded along its line of symmetry. My diagram is not on scale, but this I'm considering this as the line of symmetry. So when you fold them, so you will get something like this. You will get something like this. Then this resulting is again folded along the line of symmetry. So when you fold both of them, you will get like this. So this is the shape you will get final. So first you fold it along the main diagonal, then you fold it along line of symmetry, then you again fold it along line of symmetry. So this will be the figure which you will get. I have drawn each and every part to explain you. Okay, now it is asking the area of each face of the final folded shape in square units. See, if the total was 1 unit, now you have folded it. So basically what you have done is, you have out of 1 units, you have converted it into half. Pehle 1 units tha, but now what you did is, like if a paper, I have a paper or what? Just a minute. But this paper is rectangular, right? So if you have this paper, so when you fold it, so basically what you are doing, you are making it into half, then you are folding it along the line of symmetry. So this, instead of 1 unit, now it will become half a unit. So if you calculate the area of it, the area will be half base into height. So this will be 1/8. This paper folding questions are damn important, specifically not only you're preparing for GATE and all, because like if some of you might be in 7th semester and campus placements might be going on in their colleges. So aptitude and technically the spatial aptitude questions comes on regular basis. If you're preparing for L&T, if you're preparing for software companies, definitely they ask questions mirror image and these folding questions. They are patent. Maximum times, apart from train questions, speed questions and all of that, they ask questions related to spatial aptitude. This is patent. Okay, so you can't say this is out of your syllabus and all those things. Now, this one, the mirror image of the below text state. So triangle, when you see it about the x-axis, see, they can ask you about the y-axis, they can ask you about the x-axis. Right now they're asking about the x-axis. So what will be the mirror image? What will be the mirror image, guys? If you are placing a mirror here, what you will see? Triangle T. I'll take white pen. T will become like this. R opposite. I will remain as it is. A will just become opposite. N will become like this. G will become opposite. L. L. What will be the option? Very good, guys. Raghavan Saugata, very good. So this will be A option. So answer will be different when it is placed about the Y, and answer will be different when it is placed along below the x-axis. Okay. Next question. Now a jigsaw puzzle has two pieces. One of the piece is shown to you and four options are given to you. What should be the second piece so that they combine and form a rectangle? Okay, so now this is your imagination. I guess in your good olden days, you might have played with jigsaw puzzles also. So this is one shape which is fixed. Now out of this four shape, what should be the shape which should fix to this one and it should form a rectangle? Come on guys, be quick. Check out the shape, you will get the answer. The extreme left, the extreme right, or the up and down portion. Check it out, what is the shape? You will get the answer. Come on. A, C. Tell me a correct answer, guys. Tell me a correct answer. A or C. Yeah, they look something, but check out the orientation. Check out the orientation. Orientation is also equally important. Check out the orientation. Quickly, one answer, one answer. Everybody should tell one answer. Quickly. One or C, guys. One or C. Sandesh and Sogat. This was a fifth question. Fifth A they are saying, or what? You are saying wrong. Everybody you are saying wrong. It's A. I am assuming इसको उठाकर मैं ऐसे लगाऊंगी ना. Basically, if A I am picking it up, I will put it like this now. Up, or you are not, you are saying it correctly, but up orientation you guys have missed it. See, this portion will come. This portion will come here. ये वाला portion will come here. This portion will come here. So you have to first pick it up and then you will place it. तो आप अगर C वाला उठा रहे हो तो उसको आप कैसे लेके जा रहे हो? So A will be the correct answer for this, guys. Okay, you are picking it up and then you are inserting. Okay, so A will be the correct one. Try to think that you are holding it also. You are holding it also. That's the only thing you are doing it. और कुछ नहीं. Otherwise, what you can do is आप इसको उठाओ, keep it horizontal and check out the line of symmetry. If you are not understanding कि मैम ऐसा आपने ऐसे उठाया और ऐसे लगाया आप बोल रहे हो, ठीक है. और अगर हम लोग नीचे वाले को उठाते तो हमको ऐसे उठा के ऐसा लाना पड़ता, मतलब हमें क्लॉकवाइज रोटेशन करना पड़ता. बट यहाँ पर आपने सिर्फ उठाया और फिक्स कर दिया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे सेम ही ऑलमोस्ट, बस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है कि यहाँ पे ये एक्सट्रीम राइट में, ये वाला एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट पर है. तो अगर आपको ऐसा डाउट आता है, आप दोनों फिगर को इसको भी हॉरिजॉन्टल बनाओ और उनकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री चेक कर लो. यू विल फाइंड कि ए विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. अंडरस्टूड? तो आप लोग ने बोला सही है, बट आपने इसे ओरिएंटेशन मिस हो गया. आपको लगा कि ये पोर्शन डायरेक्टली ऐसे आ जाएगा, नहीं, थोड़ा सा ओरिएंटेशन बस आपसे मिस हो गया. अंडरस्टूड? संदेश, राघवेन, सौगाता, अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Okay. The mirror image of the below text about x-axis. So again, about x-axis, you have to tell file axis, how it will look. File axis, how does it will look when it is about the x-axis? So you're seeing the mirror image. Like we said for the triangle, similarly file axis, how would it look? This P, I'll take white pen. This P will become like this. H will remain same. Y you will get like this. L will remain that is, but orientation will change. A is like this. X is like this. I and S will be like this. So what is the correct answer? Very good, Raghavin. It is B option. Okay, so what you have done, you have a mirror image, you have about x-axis, and just all the things will become opposite. See, talking about H, talking about A, these are symmetric. Okay, so you will get the same basically if they are placed below the mirror and everywhere, you will get the same alphabets without any change in the orientation. Okay, so B will be the correct answer. Now, a transparent square sheet below is folded along a dotted line. So this K is given to you and it is folded along the dotted line. So if a sheet is there, and if I draw, let us suppose K, and so I have drawn K and I'm folding along the dotted line. So what will be the shape I will get? So check it out. So I have drawn a K and I'm folding along the dotted line. So what shape I will get? What will be the resultant shape, guys? Now, if the resultant shape is there, it's like a fridge that you don't know when the light will be off because you have to check it out. So the shape I will get to see, but how can I make you see it? So guys, you also draw it on paper, you will get to know. I'm getting the answer properly, that if I'm folding, what shape I'll get. But you also need to do it because I can't show it to you in the camera. No, my camera is static. It won't go like this. What will be the answer? Very good. B option. Correct. This portion will come here, this portion will come here, so it will become like this, two triangles. Got it? So it will become like two triangles. So this is the B will be the shape which you will get. So these questions, try to do it at your home practically so that you can have a better understanding. Now check it out. This is simple question, but this has been asked in many of the examinations apart from your gate, and it has been asked in your placement examinations also. So in a 2-4 triangle, so here it's 2 cross 4 is given to you, 2 rows are there and 4 columns are there, and each cell is a rectangles. So how many rectangles you can see in this grid? So if this is not visible to you guys by chance because of the brightness, so I'm drawing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 rows 4 columns is given to you. It is asking you how many triangles can be observed. So how will you calculate it? See, there is a ready-made formula for it with the help of which you will get the answer. But first I want to know from your side, how many number of rows are there? 2. How many number of columns are there? 4. Now it is asking you how many rectangles can be observed. So the formula, the best and the shortest trick, n plus 1 by 2 into m plus 1 by 2. This is the trick. Don't calculate one triangle when you add two rectangles, one rectangle when you add two rectangle, it will from another rectangle. It's just a wastage of time. Anyway, it's not possible that you can calculate 21, 27 or 30 rectangles. It will take a time. So the ready-made formula is calculate the number of rows, calculate the number of columns, and just multiply n plus 1 by 2 into m plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 into 4 plus 1, 5. How much you will be getting? How much you will be getting, guys? 2, 3, 3, and this is 2 ones are 2, 50. 3 into 10, 30. 30 will be the answer. So this is an important formula, guys. Ready-made. So I have told you 2 into 4. It can be as 3 into 4, 5 into 6. So that time the calculations become tedious because it is practically not possible for you guys to calculate the how much rectangles will be there. So this expression which I have told you, this comes very handy in operations. You can use it for any matrix of rectangle which is being mentioned to you. Now, again a mirror image question. Which is the given shape is the correct mirror image. So just check it out. The basic concept is the one which is on the extreme left will go on the extreme right. Now tell me. Extreme left will go on the extreme right. So C and D are avoided because they won't be correct. Now we are left with only two options, option A and option B. So now this small one was initially pointing towards the left side. Now it will, since it is a mirror image, so it just become opposite. Like if I'm wearing a nose ring on my left side, when I'll see to the mirror, I'll get on the other side. Okay. So basically, the different types of mirrors are also there. Okay. So we have plain mirrors, we have different mirrors. So right now we are talking about this particular case. So orientation will change. So right now it is pointing towards the left. So on the mirror, it will point towards the right. So pointing towards, this is again pointing towards left. Wrong. This should point towards right. So A will be the correct option. Correct, Devanshu. Correct, Saugata. Raghavin, correct. Okay. Remember this trick. Extreme left, extreme right. Pointing on the left, point towards the right. This is the phenomena you should know. Now, what would 3D shape look like from above? So if you are seeing this shape from above, what would you see? Come on, guys. There is a basic logic in this which I'll tell you, but first I want the answer from you guys. I'll tell you the basic logic. Common sense. When you see any component, any object from above, what is the thing you can't see? Like, I don't have any object or what? Calculator. Okay. Now, if I see the calculator from the top, will I be able to see the thickness? Of course not, because right now I'm seeing the plan of it. I'm seeing it from the top. Anytime, like suppose if you might be in the flight and all also, so whenever you see anything from the top, you will see the buildings, the top of the buildings, but sometimes it sometimes or what, if you are at a particular elevations, you won't be able to see the height, you won't be able to see the depth. Okay, so you will be only able to see the length and the width part. So similar thing will happen here. What will be the answer, guys? Correct. So first, you won't be able to see the height. Height, you won't be able to see. Secondly, ma'am, such questions, what you have to do, just draw the line diagram. What is the line diagram? Similar line diagram you have to draw. Just see the line diagram. Just check it out. Line diagram of it. Draw it here. So A will be the answer. Okay. Now, which of the given shape is 3D shape but in a different position? So similar shape is there, but you have changed the orientation, you have changed the positioning. So you have two rectangles, another rectangle is there whose width has been reduced. Which is the correct one? Come on guys, quick, quick. Check it out. Two blocks are adjacent to each other. Only the one which is at the bottom, the other becomes at the top. So it's like this. So the bottom becomes the top of other. It's like this. So which one will be the correct one? C. Obviously you can check it out. C can't be there. C will not be there. Is it? C to ho hi nahi sakta. It can't be there because this is at the top. Anyway, on both the ones, this thinner or triangle, rectangle will be at the thinner, in a sense, thinner width will be at the top. This is at the bottom. No. This is also not there. So A and B have been cancelled out. Now tell me out of, sorry, A, this will be there. A, C has been cancelled out. Now what about A and D? Thinner block is sitting on the larger block. Come on guys, be quick, visualize it. See, if you see something from here, if you see it from the other directions or the orientation is changed, how does it look like? Come on, be quick, quick, quick. See, just this triangle which you are, this rectangle which you are getting, this is being there on, check it out, यहाँ पर है और इसके ओरिएंटेशन के ऊपर है, ठीक है. So B will be the correct answer for this. B will be the correct answer for this. Yes, yes. Large blocks are adjacent to each other. आजू बाजू है एक दूसरे के, ठीक है. आप देख सकते हो लार्ज ब्लॉक एडजेसेंट होते हैं एक दूसरे के. तो क्या आंसर होगा? B आंसर होगा, A आंसर होगा, D आंसर. आई एम टेलिंग यू द रॉन्ग आंसर गाइस. यू हैव टू टेल मी द करेक्ट आंसर. Very good, Saugata. Very good, very good, very good, very good. D will be the correct answer. See, check it out, guys. ये जो स्मॉलर विड्थ वाला रेक्टेंगल है, ये दोनों ही से कनेक्टेड है. अगर आप ये वाला फिगर देखोगे तो ये सिर्फ एक से कनेक्टेड है. रॉन्ग. ये वाला जो स्मॉलर विड्थ वाला रेक्टेंगल, यहाँ पर भी आप देखो इस ओरिएंटेशन में वो सिर्फ एक ही रेक्टेंगल से कनेक्टेड है, दोनों रेक्टेंगल से कनेक्टेड नहीं है. रॉन्ग. आप देखो दोनों से कनेक्टेड है. तो डी ऑप्शन में आप चेकआउट करोगे कि ये दोनों से कनेक्टेड है, ठीक है. तो अगर आपको पोजीशनिंग नहीं समझ में आती तो आप चेक कर सकते हो कि वो किन किन से अटैच है, किसके एडजेसेंट है, किसके ऑपोजिट है. सो यू विल गेट द आंसर. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Which of the given shape is a rotation of the main image? So this is the main image. What will be the rotation of the main image? मतलब इसमें से कौन सी एक इमेज है जिसको आप रोटेट करोगे तो आपको मेन इमेज मिल जाएगी. इसका मतलब ये है, out of this one, which is the image which you will rotate, you will get this main image. Check it out. यहाँ पर आपको I am giving you the hint. दो ऑप्शन सेम मिलेंगे. Check out the orientation. Clockwise है कि anti clockwise है? Just check it out that. Come on guys. Who told? Raghavendra. Okay. So Raghavendra told D is the correct answer. Let's check it out. See, this star and circle are opposite. Great. This rhombus or diamond shape is opposite to the dotted. Correct. Okay. First thing we have got it that yeah, they are in opposite directions. So symmetry is checked. Now what they have to do is they have to rotate it. So in this case, this circle, when it is rotated in clockwise direction, when this whole figure is rotated in clockwise direction, you will get the answer as D. What could have been the other option which can be possible would have been B. But B nahi hoga because ye jo orientation hai, this should happen in clockwise direction. Okay. So D will be the correct answer. Okay. Now, which of the given shape is a rotation of the main image? Again, out of these four options, which one you will rotate so that you will get this one? Just check it out from any one side. Extreme lefts के कुछ points को पकड़ लो और just hold on to extreme right points or top points. Things becomes easier. Instead of seeing for everything, क्योंकि dots है ना तो confusions होते हैं. Pick up any section guys, quickly pick up any section and rotate it step by step. बेटर है ये 3 ऑरेंज सर्कल्स अलग से दिख रहे ना, इन 3 ऑरेंज सर्कल्स को देखो कहां पर आपको ये 3 ऑरेंज सर्कल्स एक साथ मिल रहे हैं. 3-4 ऑरेंज सर्कल्स एक साथ एक सिमेट्री में मिल रहा है. यू विल गेट द आंसर गाइस. 4 यहाँ पे रो में 3 और यहाँ पर एक आपका कॉलम में आ गया था, तो 4 ऑरेंज सर्कल्स एक साथ जहां मिल रहे हैं वो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. See, I gave you the best hint. यहाँ पे 3 ही है और कहीं पर नहीं है गया. Only 3, but it has in continuation when you are rotating it, you should have 4 orange circles. और 4 एक साथ कहीं पर भी नहीं है. You should have 4. Here also 3 is there. Check it out. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there should be a hollow circle. Then there should be an orange circle, blue circle. Check it out. Best, सबसे easy. So whenever these circle questions comes, दो type के आते हैं. Like in spatial aptitude, like the previous classes I've told. So in that, some will be shaded, some will be unshaded, and they will ask you next is what. So count the number of shaded and unshaded. Generally, they're in odd, even, or fractions. You will get the answer. If such question comes, count the pattern of it. Okay, take it from extreme left or extreme right and solve it. Now this one. If the resultant piece of paper is folded along the middle, so you have this diagram. Okay, you have a paper, one side you have this cross, another side you have this cross, and you're folding along the middle. What will be the shape which you will get? Come on guys, what shape will you get? Check it out. This is very easy. You're saying for the previous one or this one? 15th. 15C. Visualize it. See, when you will fold it, this portion will stick on this portion. This portion will go and coincide with this portion. It is symmetric. So ultimately you will get A na. Array, what is happening? Just a minute. Check it out guys. Check out the, see, आप जो बोल रहे हो वो तब होता, what you guys are telling is something when one side you have like this, okay, and another side of this you have also like this. बट यहाँ पे तो ऑपोजिट कर दिया है ना. अगर मेरा एक पार्ट है एक पार्ट है, अब जब मैं दोनों को क्लब कर रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इट विल मेक वन दिस पार्ट ओनली. तो ये वाला जो पार्ट है वो अगेन दिस परपेंडिकुलर पार्ट विल बिकम कोइंसाइड विद दिस परपेंडिकुलर. दिस स्लैंटिंग पार्ट व्हिच इज ऑन द एक्सट्रीम राइट विल कोइंसाइड विद द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट. तो A will be the option. If you want, draw it on a piece of paper. कोई बड़ा डायग्राम नहीं है कि नहीं बना पाओगे. Okay, you will find that A will be the correct answer for it. Getting it? Simple है. Okay, the last question. Find the pattern that can be folded into the object. Okay, अब out of this 4, आप किस तरीके से fold करोगे? Out of this 4 options, how you should fold that you will get like this. That means 2 crosses are adjacent faces to each other. अब ये visualize करना पड़ेगा. And top में you are not getting anything. Top is blank. Top is blank. Come on guys. मैम बॉटम में कोई भी फिगर हो सकता है. इट कैन बी अ सर्कल, इट कैन बी अ डॉटेड, एनीथिंग कैन बी देयर, बट द टॉप पोर्शन हैज टू बी ब्लैंक. चेक इट आउट. Both have to be adjacent. Check. A will be the answer. This portion, plain portion, will come on the top. Okay, this portion will happen what? This circle will go inside it. Okay, this will go on one side. You will get A as the right answer. Yes. हाँ या ना कि B होगा? A or B, which will be the correct one? Visualize. ऊपर वाला टॉप से फोल्ड किया, ये सर्कल इधर चला जाएगा, सर्कल अंदर की तरफ जाएगा. A होगा कि B होगा? Come on guys, one answer. A या B? C तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि दोनों डॉट यहाँ पर आ गए हैं, तो ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. ठीक है, और अगर इसके अलोंग फोल्ड करोगे तो x और x ऑपोजिट्स हो जाएंगे. हमें एडजेसेंट्स चाहिए. एडजेसेंट्स मतलब आजू बाजू. ठीक है, जैसे नेबर्स है ना, वी आर एडजेसेंट नेबर्स, आजू बाजू रहते हैं हम. तो यहाँ पर तो ये ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा, तो ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. अब A और B में से बताओ. मिल गया ना चिन्मय? गुड. A and B, which will be the correct answer? I will share a video of it. अगर आपको जैसे होता है ना, because we have to tell you the 3D orientation, तो अगर आपको ये visualize नहीं हो रहा ना, तो मैं इसका आपको एक वीडियो टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दूंगी. दैट विल बी गुड. सो अभी मैं आपको अभी तो आज ही बेसिकली कर दूंगी. जस्ट सेंड मी अ रिमाइंडर इफ आई फॉरगेट. आई शेयर यू माय टेलीग्राम ग्रुप इन केस यू हैवंट जॉइंड इट. तो मैं आपको ना इसका ओरिएंटेशन वाला एक वीडियो सेंड कर दूंगी सो दैट अगर आपको विजुअलाइज नहीं हो रहा है सो यू विल विजुअलाइज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट वीडियो. तो उस वीडियो में क्या है ना कि इसको ना ओरिएंटेशन को चेंज करके पूरा डायग्रामेटिक वे में एक्सप्लेन किया है. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर ये फिगर को मुझे बना के एक्सप्लेन करूंगी तो कैमरा एक स्टैटिक है तो वो ओरिएंटेशन आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. सो आई विल शेयर अ वीडियो विद इट. ओके, अगर जिनको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आई शेयर अ वीडियो सो दैट यू विल गेट अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. बट द लॉजिक इज सेम कि अगर कोई चीज ऑपोजिट्स है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर ये अगर ऊपर आएगा, ठीक है, तो ये पोर्शन नीचे चला जाएगा, सर्कल वाला पोर्शन, और ये हमें सर्कल ये जो आपको क्रॉसेस है ये आपको एडजेसेंट्स मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, बाकी we'll check it out. Okay, I'll share with you the video so that you will get the proper understanding. जिनका थोड़ा सा visualization weak है, जो थोड़ा imagine नहीं कर पाते चीजों को. Okay, because one side of our brain is very good in visualizing and one side is good in memorizing the things. जो हम read write करते हैं वो हम सिर्फ अपना 50% brain को use करते हैं, और जो हमारा 50% brain होता है वो सिर्फ figures को, चीजों को समझता है. इसीलिए बोलते हैं कि छोटे एज में बच्चों को abacus सिखाने को, उसका लॉजिक यही होता है कि वो आपके सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन को डेवलप करते हैं जिसमें आप इमेजेस देखते हो, ताकि वो साइड ऑफ ब्रेन आप देखते हो कि वो लोग ऐसे ऐसे करके कैलकुलेट करते हैं. सो बेसिकली दे आर ट्रेनिंग देयर दैट साइड ऑफ द ब्रेन टू विजुअलाइज द इमेजेस. यू फाइंड थाउजेंड्स से हंड्रेड्स में दे आर थ्रोइंग द बैकर्स बीट्स, ऐसा होता है. ठीक है, तो अगर आपका वीक है तो फिर वील टॉक इट अबाउट. ठीक है, ए होगा कि बी होगा ये तो आप, मैंने अभी बताया नहीं आंसर दिव्यांशु. ए होगा कि बी होगा दैट यू हैव टू टेल मी. मैंने अभी नहीं बताया. ठीक है, यू हैव टू टेल मी. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. कमेंट सेक्शन में आपको बताना है. बाकी आई शेयर द वीडियो विथ यू गाइज ऑल्सो. ओके, इसरो यार अभी तक आया नहीं. मुझे लग रहा है सब अभी लॉन्चिंग में बिजी थे, तो शायद अब सितंबर में आ जाएगा. एक बार हम लोग पहुंच गए मून पर, अब मुझे लगता है अब सब बाकियों को काम पे लगाने के लिए अब पेपर आएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट्स इट. ए और बी में से क्या होगा वो तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में खुद सोच के बताओगे. जैसे दिव्यांशु बोल रहा है कि अगर हम फोल्ड करेंगे तो ऑपोजिट चला जाएगा, बिल्कुल सही, वो भी एक तरीका है. अब इसमें अगर मैं बात करूं तो बी सर्कल सर्कल साइड्स में चले जाएंगे और ये क्रॉस क्रॉस साइड्स में चले जाएंगे, ये डॉटेड नीचे चला जाएगा, तो बी भी सही हो सकता है. तो ए और बी में क्या सही होगा वो आप मुझे सोच के बताओगे. ठीक है, बाकी I'll share with you, I will record it and I'll share with you guys. If you are not aware, we have paid courses with full coverage of the entire syllabus with quiz, mock test, study material, recorded lectures is going on in our app classes. Okay, so you guys can enroll. We have Vision Gate 2024, or if you are planning for Gate 2025 you can enroll for the batches. Okay, and last you can join my telegram group. And guys, tomorrow Dheeraj sir will not be able to take because he have some prior commitments. So tomorrow at 6 p.m, remember, not in the morning, at 6 p.m we'll have questions from abstract reasoning. So it's not only required in your gate or your other examinations, but for the upcoming ISRO examinations also, if you have seen the syllabus of it. So in that, abstract reasoning, deductive reasoning, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning is there. So if you are preparing for GATE, if you are preparing for ISRO, abstract reasoning will be there for you guys. So again, 15 questions, 10 to 15 questions, and we'll wind it up early. Okay, so Agatha is saying B, Anjali is saying B, Raghav is saying A. Fine, I'm not saying the answer. First, you guys will comment to me, and today evening I'll write the answer. Okay, so that's it guys. That's all for today, and my computer is stuck now. Okay. And guys, we are having an HPCL complete PYQ paper. So again, questions are very much similar to ISRO. So if you are preparing for ISRO, it's not that you can't attempt HPCL questions. So we'll be taking the entire PYQs of 2021, and this session will be on Tuesday at 11 a.m. Okay, so you guys can set a reminder for Tuesday 11 a.m. Around 200 questions are there and 120 minutes are there. So we'll try to cover those 200 questions in the given time. Aptitude, technical, English, everything is there in it. Okay, so a complete package is there. So we'll see you for that Tuesday at 11 a.m. and tomorrow for abstract reasoning questions at 6 p.m. Okay, So that's all for today, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye and study hard. Thank you, everybody.